this quick tutorial from LogMeOnce. I'm going to show you how to use the secure wallet. So the secure wallet is for you to save your credit card information in a secure way. So you know how you're online and you're shopping and you want to check out and you need to enter your credit card info, but to go into your wallet and go find your credit card and then type in your information is a bit inconvenient. It would be more convenient if you had it saved right there on your device, right? But you probably don't want to save your credit card information on your device because that makes you more vulnerable, right? Say if somebody gets a hold of your device, you could be hacked and then your credit card information is compromised. Well, LogMeOnce has a secure wallet, which I'll show you here. When you log into LogMeOnce, you'll either see your secure wallet on your dashboard if you have it set that way, or you can find it in the Start menu. If you go underneath of Password Management, you'll find the secure wallet. So either way, so if you go to Secure Wallet, that's going to open up the credit cards that you have saved. So these are the ones in this sample account that I've saved. I can add a credit card by clicking the green button here, or the plus button at the top of the screen. I can go to Add Credit Card. And what that does is opens up this dialog box. So I would enter the name. In this case, it might be Kate Smith for our sample. And then I would enter a number. So and then I would set the expiration date, whatever that would be. I can also change the color if I want to change colors so I can remember which card's which, for instance. You can also enter the CVC code. We recommend that you might not enter this and that each time you select your card to enter it in when you're checking out online, you just enter it manually just to stay a little bit more secure. But you can save it here if you'd like. You can have a secure note, so you might say, whatever it is you want to remind yourself about this credit card, and then hit Add Credit Card, and that will add the card to your list of cards in your wallet. You can click on any one of these and see the information dialog box will appear, so you can adjust anything you would like. You could also remove the card if you would like to remove that card. And that's how you save your credit card information in LogMeOnce in a secure way, so when you check out, you can fill in your payment information using the credit card information you have already saved in your LogMeOnce account. Thank you for watching.